Welcome to another video. Sa video na ito, samahan niyo ako magpunta ng NAIA Terminal 2 for Philippine Airlines to my flight going to Cebu. Maaga yung flight natin papuntang Cebu. So, mga around 4 o'clock nagpunta na ako ng airport. It's been a while since nagpunta ako sa NAIA Terminal 2. It's been a while as well since sumakay ako ng Philippine Airlines. So, it was kinda fun going back to NAIA Terminal 2. Definitely nakakapanibago, but come along with me so I can show you what's inside NAIA Terminal 2. Hi! Thank you for watching another video. Nandito ako ngayon sa Terminal 2 for Philippine Airlines. Magpupunta tayo ngayon to Cebu for a short business trip. So 4 days lang naman ako sa Cebu. Ako lang mag-isa, wala si mommy, wala din si ate. So let's just enjoy Cebu together. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Domestic Terminal 2 ng Philippine Airlines. Maaga pa tayo, 6 o'clock pa yung flight ko. It's currently around 4:10 in the morning. So, onti pa lang din yung tao. Nandito ko sa may waiting area. This is not my boarding gate. This is just some place na hindi crowded. Hindi naman masyadong crowded dito sa Terminal 2 kasi onti lang naman yung mga passengers. I think this area is exclusive for Philippine Airlines. So let's walk around dito sa Terminal 2. I'll show you. Very limited lang yung mga kainan dito sa Terminal 2. Onti lang talaga. So, it's not the best or it's not the most ideal place na pupunta ka and dito ka na lang kakain. Although, meron naman, napaka-onti lang ng choices dito sa Terminal 2. I can go ahead and walk. I'll show you around where you can sit down and where you can eat dito sa NAIA Terminal 2. Right off the bat, I can say na mas onti talaga ang food choices dito sa NAIA Terminal 2 compared to NAIA Terminal 3. Mas marami naman kasi talagang kinikater na flights sa Terminal 3 versus this one, kaya mas onti talaga yung mga food choices dito. But nevertheless, there are so many stores that you can buy food and sit down. Nagulat ako na very spacious din pala talaga, no? Even the gates are right beside each other. Madami ka pa rin pwedeng maupuan. It's very comfortable. The aircon is working really, really well. It's very clean, including the restrooms. It's very clean. Pagkabili ko ng pagkain, in a short while, tinawag na rin yung flight namin. It's ready for boarding. And so, pababa na kami. We're headed to the bus gate A. Sasakay kami ng bus so that we can board our flight for Cebu. Welcome aboard our Philippine Airlines flight to Cebu. So, this is an Airbus 321 which has a 3-3 seat configuration. Hello! Ayan, nasa airplane na tayo. Makakumulubigin din ako. Pero yan, nasa airplane na tayo. Nasa may windows na tayo. Papunta na tayo sa sakit. Ito yung Goldilocks na binili ko kanina kasi I wasn't sure if there's food here in Philippine Airlines. Sabi ko nga, ang tagal-tagal ko nang hindi sumasakay ng PAL. But I know that they give out food. I'm just curious what kind of food that they give out. One thing that I like during boarding dito sa PAL is that they do it in batches. So, yung back row first, and then middle rows, and then the front rows, para hindi naiipit yung mga passengers. And then pagbaba din later, papakita ko sa inyo, they also do it in batches. So, front row first, and then middle, and then back. Very organized, no? Something different from what I've seen in Cebu Pacific or any other airlines. Ayan, so nakalipad na tayo, nandito na tayo, and they're already serving food. So, ang food nila is some green peas with dried mangoes. Very interesting. May water din naman. You can also ask for coffee or tea. So, that's very good, no? Meron pa rin talagang kahit onting meal service. And hindi ko na namalayan, it's already been 1 hour and we've landed in Cebu. So me and my colleagues, we decided to share a Grab going to our hotel. Our hotel is located in Cebu Central Block. Ito yung IT Park in Cebu. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you can also see my 4-day trip dito sa Cebu. You can also check the places kung ano yung mga kinainan namin so that you can also see kung ano ba yung masasarap na pagkain dito sa Cebu. So thank you so much for watching this very short video on my flight going to Cebu. Till our next video. Bye-bye!